Yes, sir. We got some car action going on today. We doing some light work on the scat pack. Literally some light work. I'm gonna show you guys how to tint your side lights on the Charger. It'll work for pretty much everything else, but this is what we doing here. Cause you know you gotta be fly with it. You know what I'm saying? If you got it, then get it. Then you feel me? Everything else is done. I just got to do this one for y'all, show y'all how to do it. It's a quick and easy process. So let's get into it. Of course, what you're going to need is the right one. We on the driver front. So that's where we at. You got your heat gun. You got your cloth, which I didn't really use. I did use this though. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we already cleaned it off, of course. Made sure everything was pristine. Like I said, this is a really, really easy, quick process. You literally can't mess this up, and you better not, because you only get one of these. So what I did, to make sure I lined it up, and you want to make sure it's just right. It's all covering the light, just right there on the edge of the light, so that you could tuck it in the creases. You want the rest of it to hang off the side, because it's gonna punch that way after you hit it with the heat gun. So that's pretty much it right there. Make sure it's smooth. You ain't gotta do too much. This is where the magic work. If you ain't got a heat gun, get you a heat gun. They like $20. I know we in inflation, but you know what I'm saying? All right. Now just hit it with that heat. Get it real hot around it. You see it'll start to fold over. I'll come down. Don't burn yourself. Come down. I'll tuck it myself. Push it up. And put it all good. That really should be all you need. You might need to hit it with the heat gun one more time. Definitely make sure it's shut off. But that's really pretty much all you gotta do. It do the work for you. So that's the good thing. Just use my nail. Wow. Now I'm gonna hit it with that heat one more time, just some light to lock it in. You know what I'm saying? You don't need much at all. Lock all that in the sides. Make sure it's down that way. And you really ain't gotta worry about it coming off unless you meant for it to, but that's pretty much it, man. Now y'all good. I know it don't look like it's on there. Hold up. But you clearly see the difference. So that's what we doing, man. Y'all enjoy. Oh yeah, y'all. I forgot too. Might as well show y'all what's going on. There's that one back curve, really smooth. It's hard because it ain't focused. There it is. So we got that one. I don't know. That one look a little darker though. Anyway, that's it, man. That's it and that's all.